Most laboratories believe they are compliant because they have SOPs. Well, accrediting bodies require more. Under BAP, CAP, and ISBER standards, documentation alone is not evidence of quality. Control, traceability, and enforcement determine compliance. So today, we focus on the Quality Management and SOP Systems pillar. We're building on what we know about the 6 pillars of laboratory compliance. Quality Management and SOP Systems form the infrastructure that stabilizes every other pillar. Without document control, governance lacks oversight. Without audit systems, risk goes undetected. Without CAPA, errors repeat. This pillar operationalizes compliance. Under BAP accreditation standards, laboratories must demonstrate a functioning quality system, not just written procedures. CAP requires traceable oversight, validation evidence, and documented follow-through. ISBER best practices reinforce life cycle consistency, quality monitoring, and risk-based management. So the question is never, do you have an SOP? The question is always, can you prove it works? This pillar rests on 5 structural components. Document control ensures version accuracy and approval authority. Competency verification ensures staff perform procedures as written. Internal audits detect compliance gaps. Deviation tracking captures breakdowns. And CAPA ensures findings are corrected and prevented from reoccurring again. If one component is weak, the entire system destabilizes. In my experience, laboratories rarely lack SOPs. Even with the support of software, laboratories can lack system discipline. SOPs are not reviewed on schedule, change control is undocumented, audit findings repeat, and corrective actions are superficial. These weaknesses are visible immediately during inspection. A mature quality pillar aligns its SOP library directly to accreditation standards. Your SOP index should function as a compliance crosswalk. Each procedure should clearly support a regulatory requirement, an accreditation element, or a defined risk mitigation strategy. This is how documentation becomes defensible evidence. There are 6 compliance pillars, and quality management and SOP systems support every other pillar. Weak quality control affects governance oversight. It destabilizes clinical data systems. It increases biosafety risk, and it undermines biospecimen life cycle integrity. This pillar is structural, not administrative. Demonstrating compliance evidence is an operational shift. Move from storing documents to managing systems. Move from reactive corrections to controlled monitoring. Move from paperwork to measurable oversight. That distinction determines your inspection outcomes. Consider these questions, and if you can't answer these confidently, this pillar requires reinforcement. Because quality should be measurable, quality should be traceable, and quality should be defensible. Quality management and SOP systems are not paperwork. They are compliance infrastructure. When engineered correctly, inspections become confirmation, not confrontation. Integrity is not declared, it is documented, verified, and enforced. And if you'd like more resources and information on how to improve your quality systems, check the video description.
The Compliant Lab: Standards, Structure, Accountability.